A pristine PlayStation 5 rests on a dark surface, its sweeping white shell reflecting soft light. The camera glides slowly along the console's curves, then pauses as the outer shell lifts away, exposing the dust-catching channels designed to trap debris before it reaches the inner core. On-screen text appears, layered shell protects internals, channels dust for easy cleaning, Sony's answer to longevity. A slow pan reveals the centerpiece, an imposing, silent fan dominates the cooling system, paired with a vast, finned heatsink below. Clean overlays trace the airflow path, arrows show fresh air drawn in, heat whisked away, and exhausted out. Text explains, oversized fan and custom heatsink ensure steady, quiet cooling. Airflow is maximized, noise minimized. Beneath the cooling system, the camera closes in on the dense motherboard and its gleaming APU, highlighted by a subtle glow. A silvery pool of liquid metal catches the light, Sony's bold thermal interface. Caption: liquid metal cooling transfers heat more efficiently than paste. This innovation keeps the PlayStation 5's hard cool under pressure. The journey continues, spotlighting the power supply's snug fit in the expandable storage bay, each component meticulously arranged for balance and harmony. The camera lingers on the aligned layers before fading to black. A final caption appears: one small change here prevents a massive overheating problem. Inside, every millimeter is engineered for cool performance.